that the thing that's fucked?
No, no. Underneath it's fucked. This is just like a washer with a rubber seal on it. But it's quite tight to fit, so sometimes.
Are we gonna need a fucking torch?
No.
Oh.
Keep hold of it.
Yeah, right.
That's it.
Tight. Hammer? I could get one. Got one in the van. And your dad got one in there?
No, no. Keep it in the garage.
Special hammer. You got to take the weight off it now. Oh, nice. Right, we don't want that getting covered in shit, do we? Your thing's coming out.
Yeah.
Yes, Rog.
You take it?
Hang on. That's mad. I've never held an engine before.
Took one there then, that.
Mad. That looks mad, Rog.
That was lucky, John.
What?
That bolt was untight.
Oh, what? You hadn't cracked it?
No.
Shut the up. See, it's because last time I rode it, I was revving it so hard, you know, vibrated it loose.
Take hold of the frame a sec.
Yeah, I got it.
Right. Oh, linkage. Good.
That's right. Is that loose as well?
Yeah.
Shut up! Why every time you look at me like that? Hang on. Oh yeah, but no, you knew that though, didn't you? Did you? Didn't you? Oh, fucking hell.
You speak to Reese tomorrow.
I'm gonna ring him.
Like, if he says yeah, you can do it, then you ask him when. Can he do it ASAP? Because I don't want to be waiting like weeks.
No, me either. Well, no, because it's the Lidney boys. Apparently, they got the AC/DC water up there. So yeah. Well, but I'll ring him tonight and just see
get
what
back
he can do.
up similar to that as much as possible, and then I'll get my old man to.
He's
machine it off.
mate. He's the boy. He's the boy. Trust me.
I don't know. Don't not to worry about whether if he's got to grind some of it away.
I guarantee, mate. By the time he does finish, it will look the fucking same as that. What's the damage?
Fuck, that's some good, innit?
Yeah, that's bidding though, Rog.
Brand new genuine 125 Yamaha. I'm watching that
Well, what do they usually go for?
genuine one.
Yeah.
200 quid?
What? How many watches are there?
I don't know, tell me. Me.
How long's left on it?
1 hour 17 minutes.
You are lying. I don't know why I'm saying that like I know what that is, but...
I'll make him an offer, 60 quid.
Yeah, come on then.
Okay.
For fuck's sake. This is where he matches back and goes, I know what I got, mate.